Hi everyone! This video is a little bit different one as I'll be sharing many of my cooked meals in this video because I've got lots of visitors coming from Sri Lanka for a week. We've got some uncles and aunties staying with us for a week, and my parent-in-laws are also here for 3 months. So I've got a lot of people in our house. So before they arrive, I've planned what sort of meals that I was gonna cook, and I've made some of the meals so it'll ease up my week so I can spend some time with them. So this is me writing down the menus and how I want to plan this. So yeah, so you will see this video. I've filmed this video throughout a whole week. So that's how my planning goes. So before they arrive, I did a wambatu moju, like an eggplant curry. It's a signature dish of one of the Sri Lankan meals. So I did the wambatu moju. I fried all of eggplants in air fryer, and this is something that I would pre-cook. And in fact I made the whole curry and divided it into 2 containers and left one in the fridge and one in the freezer so that we can use that up in later future. Then I had some tuna fish. In Sri Lankan it's kelavallo. So I made a fish curry, like a spicy fish curry, so that we can use that as well when we're eating rice and curries. So here me preparing the fish curry, you would see. So making these kind of curries in advance was easy for me because they're all coming from home, Sri Lanka, and auntie and uncle said they prefer to eat something non-Sri Lankan because they eat all the rice and curries every day. So they said we would love to eat other types of food as well. So I thought maybe while they're having rice and curry for some meals, I can cook some other type of cuisines. while preparing all of those meals, I spent some time with my son because we both love to do some doodling. It's not actually doodling, but we just write down some quotes and make it prettier. So here Dinuk was doing his quote that he chose, and he's just coloring that up. We just love to do that. This is like Amma Puta time, mum son time. Back to cooking. This was a request from my uncle. He loves to eat a beef curry, so he said a beef curry would be something that he would prefer. So here I'm making potato beef curry in a Sri Lankan version. And in the meantime, I made a pan-fried beans. So I put some sesame seeds on top of it, just to like a stir fry. So I'm cooking that on the other side as well. Likewise, you can see I've cooked some meals. So I've got here some leftover kiribat, the lunameris for that, which we will use up on the following day. And I've got some caravella badum, like a dry fish stir fry, my wambatu moju there, and then a tapioca curry, like a manioka malu. I've got it in 2 containers. Here you've got a fish ambutial. This is again the manioka malu and the fish curry, and these are the leftover fish buns that I made the day before. So we are gonna probably eat this tonight, so it'll save up some of my fridge space. So that's how it looks at the moment. This is the lasagna that I made the day that they arrived for night. As our dinners, they really enjoyed the lasagna. This is after baking the lasagna. So it came up well and everyone loved it. Especially my son, he loves eating lasagna. This is every night I do a little bit of journaling. This is as a practice. I have done that for some time now. Another day taking care of my plants, making babies of this snow queen plant. So we went to Costco and I saw this 2-tier. It's kind of a lazy Susan. It's like a turnable, and look how big is that, and it was so good. And yeah, that was the price for that. I didn't buy it, but it was, I thought it is something that would be very useful in a house. This is the quiche that I made on another night. For dinner, so I couldn't take the picture that when it came out of the oven. And I've chopped some onions to make a sini sambal. Would be a good dish when they go out to take buns and sini sambal. And I had to make some jelly cups for my nephew's birthday. Yeah, he turned 3 in that week. So for his birthday, I planned to make some jelly cups because I wanted to do the jelly cups in 3 colors. So doing 1 color at a given time. So I've already done the bottom layer, which is in blue color. Now I'm pouring yellow color. Then I'm planning to top it up with orange, but I have to wait till the middle layer gets set. So This is the second layer. In the meantime, you can see my son is enjoying the time with his grandma. He's really enjoying this Archie time. And look, they're playing air hockey. I'm so glad he get the chance to spend some time with his grandparents. Dessert time. I'm making a caramel pudding so I can take this to my sister's place for the birthday. So yeah, this is a little bit of dessert that I made so that everyone can enjoy. And here I'm making a tuna paste so that when they go out sightseeing, it's easy to have some kind of a grab and go lunch. So this tuna paste will be used up in a sandwich so everyone can eat while they're traveling and sightseeing. So that's the plan. I usually use my electric wok to steam the caramel pudding that I prepared. So here's my electric wok, and I'm placing, I did put some water and I'm placing the caramel pudding mix, and then covering up it with lid. It usually takes about maybe 14 minutes for it to get steamed. So that's how I do that, and it always has come up nice and easily. And I'm making some lunamirris for tomorrow's kiribat. So it was Chirant, my husband, who chopped the lunamirris because my hand, like my wrist, was very much injured. So he did help quite a bit in making the lunamirris for me. And that's the caramel pudding. So I have to place this in the fridge. And yeah, look, this is me doing the final layer, the orange color. Hopefully I can show you how when this set, I will show you a clear view. So this is the final layer, and that goes in the fridge. I love the colors of this jelly cup. What do you think? It's perfect for a kid's birthday. Come morning, we are having kiribat as our breakfast. I left a little bit of jaggery, as in hakuru. If anyone's interested, they can have it along with a lunamirris. And it's my nephew's birthday, so I was heading to my sister's place after breakfast. Yeah, just before we went, this is my son making a birthday card for my nephew. So I have this plastic container, has all colored papers for our crafts, and he chose a paper, and now he's making his own birthday card for his malli. And sharing you the outcome of the caramel pudding. It was delicious. This is how we planned the setup for my nephew's birthday. It was just us two families who participated on his birthday. And so that's it, my friends, on today's video. Please consider subscribing if you like this channel, and press the like button, and leave me a comment of what type of content you would like to see me in this channel. And until I see you next time.